Hello everyone, I am Ms. Wang from CUH. Recently, a customer reported that a user on site accidentally modified the parameters of the controller. After restoring the factory settings, all the originally adjusted parameters were cleared. As a result, the engineer had to be asked to reset it, which was very troublesome. Therefore, the customer strongly suggested that when restoring the factory settings, the previously saved parameters could be directly converted so that they can be used normally according to the previously adjusted state. Then the good news is here. This year, our SDVC 311M controller has made a major upgrade and added a pin parameter setting function. Now with this function, you can restore your saved settings with one click, which is worry-free and efficient. Next, I will demonstrate the pin parameter function. The pin parameter is used in conjunction with the FactoryReset function to save and restore the user's parameters. Pin equals 0, which means that the default parameters saved by the user are restored to the current working group. Pin equals 05, which means that the currently set parameters are saved to the user's parameter group. Let's test it. When pin is equal to 05, we switch to factory settings, and now all the working parameters have been saved to the user's parameter group. Of course, the current frequency and voltage are the parameters I set. If we change the frequency to 70 Hz, the voltage is 65 volts. If I want to restore what I changed before, I choose the pin parameter equal to 0, and then restore the factory settings. Now the voltage and frequency are restored to 60 volts and 69 Hz, which I saved. This realizes that the user wants to save their parameters, and when restoring the factory settings, the parameter group saved by the user is selected to restore the factory settings. If you want to restore the factory value of CUH, you can select pin, and the parameter is 55. In this way, both the working group and the user saved group will be restored to the factory value of CUH. If it is 35, only the user saved parameter group will be restored to the factory value of CUH, and the working parameter group will not change. The above are all the upgrade functions of our SDVC 311 meters. Isn't it powerful? If the boss in front of the screen has any questions, you can send a private message to Ms. Wang in the comment area. Ms. Wang will answer you one by one.